Hi guys, here we are at the Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln with Joe and Adam.
Hi guys, we're Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln with Joe and Adam.
Oh wow, the skirt is severely bent. When is the skirt gonna actually snap off? Oh no, bang! Oh god, look, that is really wobbly. Did you see it went like that?
Yeah. There it goes.
There we go. Now, the time is 9:01 on Tuesday, the 16th of August, 2016. This is for your
0908.
Early 0908, 2 Lima 57, 2 Lima 57 East Midlands train service from Worksop. Wow, I haven't seen this crossing in ages. I can't believe the train went early just so the crossing could welcome me. To be honest, Joe, don't you think they should have actually stuck to the plans of putting the bridge in first and then putting the crossing in?
No.
Because
Look at this light.
this one is because Network Rail had to move it when they had to cover up all this one. Yeah, I know. Network Rail have obviously bent it because they're not good at doing the job. Not being offensive to my dad though, because my dad is actually quite good at his job. Unlike some of the Network Rail people. Well, not Joe, because he's not Network Rail just yet. Joe, stop filming my face, damn it. I love being able to hold this with one hand.
Yeah, so don't drop it.
Like, I'm scared.
No, you're not covered the mic.
I know. If I cover the mic, it'll be fine. I'm not going to die.
I'm assuming you got the amber light.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, you're so kind, Joe. Yeah, these alarms have been in for ages. And you know the old barriers here, Joe, that got replaced in 2014?
Yeah.
I found out they were 10 years old when they got replaced. They got installed in January 2004, so they were almost 11 years old.
Alright.
1 month, thereabouts 1 or 2 months off 11 years old when they were.
One of the most stupid thing in the world is Central birthday.
Yeah. Wow. I've never seen these plates before, so to be honest, these plates are quite interesting to me.
It was made on the 15th of June 2014.
Well, actually, you zoom out like down. There was a barrier made in like 1995, and it was put in 2012.
Really?
Yeah, because they never actually needed to use it. So when it came round to Blakedown's refurbishment and they ran out of SPX, they used the Smiths from 1995 thereabouts. I don't really exactly remember.
They paint over it.
Also, that pedestrian light is
Fixed?
Yeah.
Oh, is it fixed? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fixed.
Joe.
Why don't they just get rid of them and put LEDs in?
Joe, the Smiths barrier had been in storage since it was made, so it was actually practically brand new, never been used. So it never faded. So, and to be honest, it looked brand new back in 2012. It's got a little bit of like dirt on it now.
Dirty.
Like a bit like that, but it's like mould instead of just random black stuff.
66174.
66174. It's weird. What was this? Watch Joe's video for the details. Watch out, Joe! Ow! Ha. 15 and 14. No, it said 1564.
414.
Weird.
And up they go.
There you go. Chop Joe. Your hand was in the way of my camera. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.
Videos.